Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for BFM and we are presently in most probable questions. So, most probable because the exams are nearing. That's why. And today's topic is break-even analysis. Break-even is one of the important topics in CAIIB and it is asked in many a times in BFM, but sometimes it's asked in ABM also. So that's why this is an important, and even now you will be having this in ABFM also. So all the three topics you will be having the same topic over here. Okay, three subjects, one topic. So it is 3-in-1 lecture. So if you want to get a knowledge of all the three subjects, follow this video completely because today I will be solving a numerical on this. So let's start. Yeah. Firstly, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever is required for clearing CIB and JIB, you will get it over here. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB. And number one, number two, all the free YouTube series. Now, free means it's very useful. So, whatever is free, you must grab it fast, isn't it? All the knowledge wherever you get free, first grab it. So subscribe to this, click on the bell icon. Okay, Officers Adda 24/7. So what is break-even analysis? Break-even analysis is a financial calculation that weighs the cost of new business, the chairs. Okay, so this 10 lakh is gone from bringing this machine, so that is a fixed cost. Now suppose if you don't manufacture anything, you just bring that machine and keep it over there only, no use. So will this 10 lakh be recovered? No. What is gone. So fixed cost is always a fixed cost. It can't be recovered unless you do the production. What is variable cost? Variable cost means it will include labor. Then it will include what? It will include the electricity cost and all the costs, right? So these are the main cost: labor, electricity, running cost. These are the costs which are included over here. Okay, now we'll come to this formula also. See, these are the two important formulas over here. Break-even point is equals to fixed cost upon contribution, and margin of safety equals to profit upon PV ratio. These two you have to remember always. Break-even equals to fixed cost upon contribution, margin of safety equals to profit upon PV ratio. Now let's solve a numerical. Okay, everyone okay? Up till now, type yes in the comment section if you have understood the logic of break-even. No profit, no loss. Have you understood this? Type yes in the comment section, everyone. Okay, shall I move ahead? Okay, let's solve the numerical. From the following data, you are required to calculate the following. What is required? PV ratio. Okay, so PV ratio. Second is what? Break-even sales with the help of PV ratio. Then sales required to earn a profit of 4,50,000. So 3 questions are there. In exam you will get such numerical for 5 marks. They'll ask you various questions on this. These 3 will be there. 2 will be extra, something related to theory also they might ask. Okay. So what is the data given? The data given is fixed cost equals to 90,000. Variable cost per unit. Now what is the variable cost per unit given? Direct material is given as rupees 5. Direct labor is given as rupees 2. Direct overheads are given as 100% of the direct labor. So what do you mean by this? Direct overhead equals to 100% of the direct labor. So what is direct labor? Direct labor is 2. So 100% of 2. So direct overhead again becomes what? 2 rupees. So what is my total variable cost now? Direct material plus labor plus overhead, 5 plus 2 plus 2. Total 9 rupees is my variable cost. I'll put it over here. It is 9 rupees. In exam also, the faster you do the calculation, the faster you understand the problem, the faster you will get the marks. Simple. Okay. Fixed cost is 90,000. So it can't be changed. Okay. Now remember one basic problem always. Basic equation of this variable cost and fixed cost. F plus P equals to S minus V. This is a basic equation used in this, basically finding this break-even analysis. Okay. So what is this? F plus P. F means what? Fixed cost. P means what? Profit. S means what? Selling price per unit. And V is what? Variable cost per unit. Okay. So what is given? See, the selling price is given as what? 12. So 12 minus V. What is V? I have got this V just now, 9 rupees. So 12 minus V means 9 is 3 rupees. So this is what? This S minus V is known as contribution. Always remember, contribution per unit. This is asked many times in exam. You will get one question in exam which will say find the contribution. So contribution is always S minus V, selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Or you can find it this way also, fixed cost plus this profit. Okay, everything per unit. Here you have to divide this by number of units in that case. Okay, so now S minus V you can get it. So if I ask you what is the contribution, contribution will be what? 3 rupees per unit. 3 rupees per unit. Okay, got it? Clear? Okay, now let's move on. What is required? What is the first question required? Find the PV ratio. What is the PV ratio over here? What is the PV ratio, everyone? So first we have to find out the PV ratio. Okay, what is the PV ratio? PV ratio is given as, simple formula for this is, say this, I'll write it over here. PV ratio equals to PV, okay, equals to contribution, okay, I'll just write contri, okay, upon this contribution upon this is selling price per unit, SP per unit, PU, I'll write it, selling price per unit. So what is my contribution now? 3 rupees. What is my selling price per unit? 12. Right. So what is my PV ratio then? 3 upon 12. What is that? 0.25. You can write it in percentage terms. You can write it 25%. So PV ratio equals to 25%, or you can write it 0.25. Depending on what is asked in the exam. If they ask you in terms of ratio, then you will be writing it 0.25. If they ask you in terms of percentage, then you will be writing it 25%. Okay, so PV ratio equals to 25%. What is the next question asked? Next is break-even sales with the help of PV ratio. Now break-even sales I want. What is the formula for break-even sales? Just now we saw it. What was it? See this, break-even point equals to fixed cost upon contribution. So fixed cost upon contribution. So break-even sales equals to I'll just write BE, okay? BE sales equals to fixed cost upon contribution. So let's find out what is fixed cost. It was given something, isn't it? 90,000. Let's see. Yeah, 90,000, isn't it? Fixed cost is given as 90,000 upon what is the contribution? Contribution just now I got it 3 rupees. So 3. So what is my BE sales, break-even sales? So it is 90,000 upon 3. So 30,000 units. So it is 30,000 units I'll have to sell to get the break-even. Okay. Got it? Simple. Now one more. There's one more question. What is the question? Sales required to earn a profit of 4,50,000. So what to do in this? Now 4,50,000 sales are required. Can somebody tell me some simple logic using the same formula? Say this. I'll give you one hint. You have to use the same formula. So who can give me in comment section? What should be the formula? Same formula but slight change. What should be the formula? Who can give me it? Everyone, yeah? It is break-even sales equals to BE sales equals to, not BE sales. Now I want sales, right? So forget the sales, okay? Sales equals to, one thing which I'll change over here is fixed cost plus profit, F plus P, isn't it? Upon contribution. So this is my change, F plus P upon contribution. Now what is the sales required? It is given, na? Sales is given as 4,50,000. So 4,50,000 equals to, shall I write it over here? 450 equals to, do I know F? Yes, 90,000. So 90,000 plus, do I know profit? Profit that is given, no? Something, what is given? To earn a profit of 450. Oh my god, this is not 450, is not my sales. Okay, so I'll have to cancel this. So sales equals to profit, this fixed cost is 90,000 plus profit is 450. Okay, 450. So this is my this profit required upon what is contribution 3. So do the calculations. 5,40,000, isn't it? 540 upon 3. So what is the answer again? 3. Do the calculations, everyone fast. 1 8 18 3 is a 54. 1 2 3 and 4. So 1,80,000 units. So I'll have to sell 1,80,000 units to get a profit of 4,50,000. What was my sale for break-even? My break-even was 30,000 units. So this is your question. So in exam, remember, they'll ask you these 3 questions definitely. Means something, the figures won't be the same. But they'll ask you similar question over here, and they will ask you separately contribution. What is contribution? That will be the 4th mark. Okay. Then they might ask you some definition of contribution. What do you mean by contribution? It is basically S minus V. Okay. So everyone has got this. How did we find this answer? Very important numerical. Everyone should follow this. Type yes in the comment section if you have understood it. Everyone. Okay. Chalo. Now let me discuss these 2 batches. Remember, you have some time now. Okay, almost 1 month. So you can join the selection batch. Selection batch, all the 4 compulsory subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything what is given in the books is covered. Importantly, here, your paper is from the books. So we cover it mainly from your books. New Macmillan books, not the old portion. Huh? Also, you have video courses. Video courses means what? If you are not able to attend the lectures on time because of your bank pressure, in that case, shouldn't you study? Yes, you should study through video courses. Video courses means you are given the series of video courses similar to that of the live classes, and you watch them whenever you want. You get ebooks also over there, tests also over there. So what is required more? Use the code Y432. Huge discounts are available using Y432. Let me show you how to get the discounts. Okay, go to Adda 24/7. Okay, see this. Go to Adda 24/7. Oh, one thing. If you are having the app, I would always suggest you go through the app. Okay, because in the app you are getting 1% extra. Okay. So always try to use the app, okay, because there are coin systems available in this in the app. Okay, so go to Adda 24/7. On the front page itself, you will see on the front page itself. Click on JIB and CIB over here. JIB and CIB. So you'll get this CIB 23, JIB 23. Click on CIB 23. Now you will see the details over here. Click on the selection batch. Also, if you scroll down, you will have the video courses batch. See this video courses batch. So anything is okay for you. I would suggest you should go for selection batch, because selection batch means what? Here you are getting live classes. If you are having the time, if you can manage the time, definitely join the selection batch. I'll show you. Okay, click on the selection batch. Now you will see the details of the batch. All the details, dates, timings, what are the study plans, everything is given. Read it. Okay, now look at the fees part. 5,999. Importantly, remember, recorded videos are available in the selection batch. So if you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back the videos. So 5,999.75. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Look at this. Now 75% has reduced to 77%. Means 5,519. 23,999 has reduced to 5,519. Such a huge discount you are getting. So join it ASAP. Okay, because exams are near, you will be needing a mentor, a guide. Portion is new. So join it ASAP. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye. Keep studying and